Young Africana, back at it again with another video. Today is D-Day. Today is tomorrow. No, let me stop. Today is the season finale of the love series. This is like such a bittersweet moment for me because I get to sleep after this, you guys. I have not slept properly in the past 2 weeks, you guys, because of this whole series. But I'm gonna miss it because, yo, like, I was really popping out with some colors. Like, baby girl. I'm super duper proud of myself, and I want to thank you guys for tuning in with me throughout this entire week, showing love, just constant, you know, encouragement. I really do appreciate all of you guys and stuff. But yeah, this is the season finale. This is day 5, y'all. This is day 5, season finale of the love series. And if you guys don't know what the love series is, I pretty much did a series for an entire week, well, for 5 days out of the 7 days of the week, and I went ahead and did different variations of pinks, purples, and reds, y'all. So if you have not seen the other 4 episodes, go ahead and check that out. I have it in a playlist, as well as I'd rather just leave it in the description box for you guys to click and see which ones you're feeling, you know, even though you should be feeling all of them because I bodied all of them, but that's besides the point, y'all. So today we went electric. Boogie woogie woogie. Let me stop. We went real electric, we went real neon. So I have some neon rootage going on, as y'all can see in the braids. We did some neon roots, and then the hair is like a cotton candy type of pink. Super duper dope. And this hair is sponsored by Nessclusive. She is a black owned brand. She's also a fellow Ghanaian as well, so you know I had to support. I had to go all out, you know. But yeah, you guys, I have in 4 bundles of 30 inches, and I believe the frontal is a 20 inch, and I made it into a wig myself, and you know, just, you know, customized it, colored it, everything is on me. I already know, y'all see it already. So if you guys want to see how I got this color and install, keep on watching. But before you go ahead and do that, go ahead and subscribe to me. Also give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're already feeling how I look, you guys, I look like a shabaddy. I'm looking, it's giving city girls, like it's giving JT. On a JT Hellcat, that's an SRT, baby. Okay, but yeah, it's definitely giving JT vibes. It's definitely, you know, she's a fellow dark skin shorty, you know. So yeah, you guys, it's giving JT, it's giving boom, it's giving, oh, y'all don't even see what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a whole corset. I got the grills out today or whatever. I'm a little too hype right now, and it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. Let me chill out. Go ahead and subscribe to me. Click that bell right next to the subscribe button if you have not. Become an Africana OG, an Africana family member. Join us, and comment some pink hearts if y'all feeling this look. Go ahead and spam the likes. Go ahead and spam the comments. Spam everything. Spam. Alright, if y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, we're going to start off with the watercolor method. I'm using a bucket of warm water and my Adore color in the color Cotton Candy, and I only use 1 bottle. And you guys, I'm not even going to front, how this hair took color really shook me. Like, usually it's kind of hard trying to get you know, like your color saturated within 1 bottle, especially for 30 inches of hair, because this wig was heavy. And when I tell you that this hair took the color beautifully, like, it's probably the best I've ever seen 613 take hair, y'all. I kid you not, there's no cap in my rap. I was shook. I'm not even going front. So I went ahead and used Cotton Candy, and I just did like a squeeze of the Adore Hot Pink. I went ahead and just used just a squeeze of it. I mixed it around, and then we're gonna go ahead and watercolor it. And that's pretty much how I got my base color. Now I went ahead and let that air dry, and now we're gonna go ahead and do our rootage. I am using my Kiss Color Temptation in the color Hawaiian Fire, and I'm just applying that as my root. I'm using this small root brush to do my roots, and I do have my knots protected with Got2b gel and the freeze spray, and I let that dry as well. So when I was doing the watercolor, it was already coated so that the knots won't dye the color of the wig, because you know that's not really a cute look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in sections and do that. I already have one side done, so I'm just demonstrating you guys the other side. And I'm just gonna go ahead and dye the hair, and then you know just kind of like, you know, do the under piece and then over, and we're just gonna do that throughout the entire frontal piece of the hair. Now I went ahead and shampooed the frontal piece only off camera just to get that Got2b freeze spray out, but if I didn't have that, I would just go ahead and rinse it out, and I left it in for about an hour. So now what I'm doing is I'm gonna go ahead and start parting my part and just using my wax stick and my hot comb on its medium setting. And then I already went ahead and did the braid off camera. So how I'm doing my braids is I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb just to train the hair into place before I start braiding. And I didn't flat iron the frontal piece because I know I was going to braid it, and I didn't want it to be silky. The rest of the hair is flat ironed, and I flat ironed it off camera because you guys see me flat iron all the time. And I'm just going to go ahead and part off my baby hairs just so I don't braid it into the baby hair. And I'm just parting the part where I'm ending my you know, braid at, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a clip just to clip it away so it doesn't get in my way. And then, you know, just training the part using my hot comb. And then now I'll be using my Nairobi setting lotion to help me braid and to have the braids nice and seamless without any flyaways. And this is the key of when doing braids. You want to make sure that it's nice and moist so that you're catching everything, and then it just looks so defined. So now I took like a triangular piece at the very edge of the you know, of the frontal, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start cornrowing. This isn't a cornrowing tutorial, so I'm not really gonna explain how I'm cornrowing, but I am doing stitch braids. So each time that I'm cornrowing, I'm kind of using my nails to like give myself a part and then continue to braid on, and I'm just doing that for each side when I'm braiding. And I'm kind of like braiding in a curved motion because I wanted it to be shaped as a heart, which is why I curved it. Because at first I was just gonna, you know, do the regular Iverson braids and stuff, just have it straight down. But I'm like, no, you know what? I'm gonna add a little curve. It's Valentine's Day. When I recorded it, it was Valentine's Day, so it's like, okay, you know, I'm feeling this, you know, make it a heart. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And my face is shaped like a heart too, so it forms perfectly, you guys. So I'm just showing you guys the process of how I'm braiding. And overall, these are how the braids look. It's looking very neat, and I'm excited, you guys. So now onto the install. So what I'm doing right now, I already have the lace tinted to my skin complexion, and I'm cutting some slits, you know, regular Vivian stuff. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start using my glue. I'm using my Erica J Hold Me Down Watermelon Adhesive, and I'm only doing 2 layers of this. And you wanna make sure that each layer dries clear completely before you apply the next layer, or if you're applying your lace. Now I'm going to go in with my rat tail, the middle part of my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to go ahead and smear down that glue so it's nice and flat. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply that lace. I'm going to apply the lace right in front of the glue so it's nice and, you know, clean. And then I'm going to go in afterwards just to get any spots that I missed. And please ignore the little dot of glue that got on that lace. I don't know what happened, y'all. It was very chaotic. Now I'm going to go in with my eyebrow razor, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace in a jagged motion. And you just want to make sure that it's nice and straight so that when you're gluing it down, it doesn't look wiggy. And I'm just going to go ahead and do this all around the hairline. Now I'm going to go in and detail and just, you know, catch any parts that I missed or any sections that still needed some glue, and I'm going to go ahead and press that down with the teeth of my comb. Now on to the melting. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got to Be Free spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and just melt in that lace. I'm gonna spray that around my hairline, and then I'm going to be using her melt belt, and this is actually really good, y'all. I actually really liked it. This is my first time ever using the melt belt, and I really like it. It had like a velcro so you could kind of adjust it. You don't have to worry about tying it or anything, because I usually tie my elastic bands. But yeah, and it was also on the thicker side, so you really felt it, you know, like, you know, just it's really melting, you guys. So I really liked it and I enjoyed it, and I'm happy that she put that in her package. Very professional. All right, you guys, so I left it on for about 15 minutes, and as you guys can see, that baby is melting, mamita. Y'all see that? Come on, get in tune. Now I'm going to go back in with my eyebrow razor, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my baby hairs about like 1 inch long, and then I'm going to go in with my Nairobi setting lotion, and I'm just going to go ahead and swoop them things. All right, we're going to swoop the baby hairs, okay? Now this time I didn't use my silk wrap to, you know, do my baby hairs, because I was kind of in a rush and I needed to do my makeup, so it kind of dried on its own. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and just, you know, swoop my baby hairs and do my thing, you know. Alright, and I just let that sit and dry until it was ready to be dried. And now, you know, I'm gonna comb my baby hairs out, because who wants some I wouldn't say crusty, but, you know, very hard looking baby hairs? That's not really my thing, you know. So I'm gonna comb them bad boys out, and I'm also gonna just, you know, pluck away any baby hairs that's a little bit too much for my liking. And I'm also gonna go ahead and use my spritz just to define my baby hairs.
And now I'm going to go in, and it's so unfortunate that it's blurred out right here. It just had to do that. But I'm going to go in and use my concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and just, define my pot to make sure my pot looks nice and crisp, because it was looking a little white. It was looking like a little Casper, a little ghostly, so we had to fix that real quick. And now I'm just going to go ahead and just tie my hair up with just like a regular hair tie. And these are the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for staying tuned with me inside of this season finale. I hope you guys enjoyed this entire series. Let me know what other series you guys want me to do, and just let me know, y'all. But I hope to see you guys in my next video. Later.